You probably have seen guitarists put something on the neck of their guitars and wonder what they were. Well, these things are called capos or capos, however you want to pronounce it. One of the main use of these capos, is to change the key of the song you're playing more easily by allowing you to play open chords further up the neck of your guitar and eliminating the need to play bar chords to a certain extent. Basically put, I suppose a capo or capo, whatever you want to pronounce it, is an extra finger. Just a quick explanation of what is meant by a song in key of A, key of B, key of C, whatever. Basically what it means is that when you start out playing a song, the very first note, the very first chord that you start off with is the key that the song is in. So basically we start off with, a D. So song is in the key of D. If we start off in G. The key of the song is, yes, you guessed it, G. A minor, E minor, whatever. That's the key of the song. Why would we want to change the key? Well, basically, for those of you that are gifted the ability to sing, I am not. That's why you'll never hear me singing on here. I just cannot do it. It sounds like the old cat being strangled. Some of you may not be able to reach certain pitches, so you will change the key of the song to suit your voice, the ability you have. There's a few other reasons, but as far as I can see, that's all we need to be worried about right now. Just to set a tune that I always play out here, something I came up with by myself. Basically, I don't pay any royalties, you know what I mean? Anyways, starts up in D, so the key of the song is D, exactly. So we got our capo. Let's stick on the 5th fret. Play the exact same open chords. I see where it gets it. I haven't got a clue. This is the first time I've done this. I haven't got a clue what it's going to sound like. So there you have it. Just to change the key, we use this little thing here called a capo or capo, whatever you pronounce it. I'm sure you heard the difference. So just a quick lesson. That's what a capo does. So that's it in a nutshell, as I say. The basic use of a capo. They have a lot of advantages and are a quick fix for inefficiency of barring chords. One thing I don't like about these things is that using one can make us lazy and give us an excuse not to practice using bar chords. Don't get into the habit, just for the sake of using one. There'll always come a time when you're at a party or some other occasion and someone asks you to play guitar and you won't have one there. So you'll need your backup of your bar chords. So keep on practicing them. That's it for now. I'll see you very soon. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and click on the little bell thingy bob down there so you get a nice little ticket in your pocket every time I upload a video. What other YouTube channel cares for your needs like this one? So that's all that's left to say is, hey Michelle,